How can you get the most out of Facebook groups? Whether you're a member looking to learn something new or an admin looking to organize your content, we'll show you how to use units easily. Now, I think Facebook groups are fantastic. Now, I might be a little bit biased because I am the admin of the Small YouTubers Boost Facebook group that has over 250,000 small YouTubers in it. And if you'd like to join, it can be found at facebook.com/groups/smallYoutubersBoost. But I have always found Facebook groups to be an excellent place to share my content, to meet other people, to collaborate, and to learn. And one of the most effective but lesser known ways of doing that is through the Units module. Units, depending on how they've been set up by the admin of the group, are a collection of posts on a single topic whose goal is for you to learn something. The only difference between these and regular posts is that they have titles and that they're organized in the Units section of the group. So here's how to find the Units section of your group both on desktop and on mobile. On desktop, you're going to want to look on the left-hand side in the top corner of the group page. Units is generally the third option down after About and Discussion. To find Units on mobile, you're going to want to look underneath the name of the group and above the field where you can write a post. Normally around the middle of the screen on the left-hand side, the Units option will appear. Now, the screenshot that we're using here is from an Android phone, but there are various devices and apps in various state of update, so it might not look exactly like what you see here, but it should be in that general vicinity. First, we'll focus on the desktop experience, and then I'll show you how this looks on mobile. When you click on the units, if units have been set up for your group, you will see a selection of units listed. Each unit is generally organized under a single topic. For example, here you can see we have YouTube Basics, TubeBuddy, and SEO, which is Search Engine Optimization. If you see a unit on a subject that interests you and you click on it, there should be a description telling you exactly what the unit is about. For example, in Small YouTubers Boost, the SEO unit is tips to help you get more traffic from search using search engine optimization. So under the unit, you will see a collection of posts on that topic that will give you information about that. And these are regular posts just with titles added, organized into units. You can still click like, you can still comment to ask questions. They may include links or graphics, so you can interact with these parts of the units just as you would a regular post. And if you want to keep track of what you've already read, especially if there's a lot there, you can click Done on each post as a way of keeping track of which ones you've read and completed. The posts can be marked as optional or not optional at the discretion of the admin who set it up. Generally speaking, in Small YouTubers Boost, we mark everything as optional because it's up to you what you want to learn, and we're not sure exactly what your level of experience or comfort level is. We're not sure where you are in your YouTube journey. So some posts might appear somewhat basic, and others might seem a little too advanced, depending on where you're at. But our goal is to try and take you to a higher level of understanding so that your channel can grow and succeed more quickly. On mobile, the layout is a little bit different, but the experience is very similar. The proper name for units, the full name, is actually called Social Learning Units, and that's actually how you'll generally see it displayed on mobile once you click into it. And you can scroll through to see the various units, and it will preview the first 3 posts of each unit, and if there's more than 3, you can just click See All to see more of the posts in a particular unit. When you go into the unit, similar to on desktop, you will see a description of what the unit is about. And you can scroll down from there to see the specific posts in the unit, very similar to how you would on desktop.